What is up, guys? It's me, Pyro14 here, back with another video. And I'm going to be singing a few songs that I wrote. And one of them is a song that me and my friend, Lightning Wolf 12, wrote together. And the songs I'm going to be singing is Out of This World, Helping a Friend Out, and One of Us. The first song I'm going to be singing is Out of This World. Okay, let's get started. I see shooting stars, and I want to see what's out of this world, to figure out who I am. I say I'm going out of this world, somewhere to explore. You say it's risky, I say I can take a hit. Bring it on, bring it on, bring it on. 'Cause I can take anything you throw at me. Oh, 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 bring it on, out of this world. 'Cause that's where me and you belong, in, out of this world, in outer space. That's where we belong. Oh, 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 oh. And anything you throw at me, I'll throw it back. Keep moving on and on and on. 'Cause life lasts forever. Ooh, 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 yeah. Life lasts forever. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Okay, let's move on to the next song. That was Out of This World. And let's move on to Helping a Friend Out. Okay, let's get started. You're walking far away. You're walking far away. You're walking far away. You're walking, yeah. You're in an alleyway. Someone attacks you. You have no one to help you. When you're in danger and you need someone to help you. But all you need is for someone to help a friend out. Help a friend out. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. But when someone comes to save you, they say leave him alone or you're gonna regret it. I say it's nothing I can handle. Bring it, bring it, bring it, bring it. Oh yeah. We're going to take you, we're going to take you, we're going to take you, we're going to take you down, 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 down. Downtown. Oh yeah, oh, we're going to this to settle this down. Wait, let's redo that part. We're going to settle this right now. Wait guys, I'm gonna sing this song because I messed up that part. Every time I mess up, we're gonna restart this song. Okay, let's restart this. You're walking far away, you're walking far away, you're walking far away, you're walking, yeah. You're in an alleyway, someone attacks you, you have no one to help you. When you're in danger and you need someone to help you, when all you need is for someone to help a friend out. To help a friend out, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, But when someone comes to save you, they say leave him alone or you're going to regret it. I say it's nothing I can handle. Bring it, bring it, bring it, bring it. Oh yeah. We're gonna take you, we're going to take you, we're going to take you, we're going to take you down, 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 downtown. Oh yeah, oh, we're going to settle this right now. You're not going to stand a chance. There's nothing more powerful than friendship. Yeah, oh yeah. You're gonna lose this fight. We're gonna win. 'Cause there's nothing more powerful than friendship. Bring it, bring it, bring it, bring it, bring it on and on and on. Yeah, oh yeah. Anything can happen if a friend helps a friend out. Yeah, oh yeah. Friends help each other. Yeah, oh yeah. They help them to the end. Oh yeah. Friends help each other till the very end. And no one can stop them. Oh yeah. Yeah. Okay guys, that was the end of that song. Now let's get to the very last song. One of Us by me and Lightning Wolf 12. Okay, let's get started. If you don't want to become one of us, you better run far away. Run as far as you can. Super fast speed so we can't find you. You better have fast legs if you don't want to become one of us. Run away to your house, lock your doors, shut your lights, shut your windows and lock them. You kill yourself and you become a demon. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. You're a demon inside hell. But we will find you even when you're dead and turn you into one of us. One of us, you will become a demon cat and save the world with evil and everyone living just like us. And everyone will be one of us. And that was the end of that. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment on the video, and hit the notification button, and peace out.